To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Pun. In this video, we will learn about puns. A pun is a humorous use of words that convey another meaning. Puns are commonly used in everyday spoken English. We can also use puns in writing to make our writing more interesting to the reader and to create a humorous effect. For example, I like kids, but I don't think I could eat a whole one. In this example, the word kid has two meanings. It can refer to a child or a young goat. So, this pun adds a humorous effect to the sentence. Another example is, a boiled egg for breakfast is hard to beat. In this example, the word beat has two meanings. Remember that a pun is a figure of speech. This means that it shouldn't be taken literally, as the words in the sentence convey a different meaning.